daytime running lights replaced in a 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche. A lot of people take this whole thing apart, but what I found out is right here is your daytime running lamps. Okay, you undo these screws and go ahead and loosen up all of these through here. Okay, 10 millimeters. All right, there's the other one replaced. They are down in this socket right here. Okay, good old Chevrolet Avalanche. Now these light housings won't pull all the way out. Much as I tried, they will not pull all the way out. So I just undid everything, was able to reach down in there and undo them, bring them up here. There's enough wire lead on them to bring them up here, and I always double check them before I put them back in the sockets that they belong in. And I'll do that here, and then we'll continue on. Now it is pretty tight fit back here, even for my thin arms, but to line it up, you got to line it up in the gap here, and line it up in that hole, and then try to get it to where she'll twist back around with all your locks in line. Kind of a pain, but it's doable. Alright, thanks for watching, y'all. Have a good day. We're going to get this thing done up, and appreciate you watching again. Hey, a lot of people go underneath the wheel well and all that, but I found out that this brace right here is right there in the way. So even going up inside, a lot of people remove this this intake and the whole 9 yards, but I found out it doesn't matter. You got a brace there and a brace there that's going to be right in your way. 10 millimeter socket, we're getting her done. Hey, peace out. Have a good one. Enjoy your life. Have fun no matter what you do. Getting dirt on your hands. Yeah.